Hi, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 1 of 13 Ocean Park Avenue in Yeppoon.
This low maintenance, well appointed property really is one to inspect.
Come on in and have a look.
The functional layout of this property really is one of its best features. I love the galley style kitchen, super well appointed with quality electric appliances and stone bench tops.
So guys, that was 1 of 13 Ocean Park Avenue in Central Park Estate. Ocean views, low maintenance living, close to all amenities. If you'd like to view this property, please call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.